Hello everyone! Today I'm giving you the essential skills needed to become a good supply chain manager. It's simple, concrete and practical. I'll explain what you need to know, why it's important and what to do to improve quickly. Ready? Let's go. First, demand planning and management. Knowing how to forecast demand means avoiding overproduction or underproduction. Learn forecasting methods, S&OP, and how to measure forecast error. You can practice in Excel and test tools like SAP IBP or Anaplan. Start with simple cases. For example, forecasting a product's sales over 6 months. Next, inventory management. Managing inventory means freeing up cash and avoiding stockouts. Know the economic order quantity, EOQ, the reorder point, ABC classification, and safety stock. Run simulations and implement cycle counting. A practical goal: reduce average inventory without lowering the service level. Logistics and transportation. Logistics influence cost and customer satisfaction. Understand the modes of transportation, route optimization, and flow consolidation. Work with carriers and discover a TMS. A good exercise is optimizing a route to reduce mileage. Operations management and KPIs. Clear indicators that allow quick decision making. Master OTIF, lead time and service rate, and create dashboards in Power BI, for example. Use the 5 whys to find the true cause of a problem. Set up a weekly review with your main KPIs. Information systems. These systems run the global logistics chain or supply chain. Know the principles of an ERP, a WMS, and a TMS. And also understand how data flows through EDIs or APIs. Learn basic SQL and advanced Excel. Ultimate objective: extract and consolidate data for a dashboard. Purchasing and supplier relations. Procurement impacts cost, quality, and continuity. Your mission is to master negotiation, supplier qualification, and risk assessment. Create supplier scorecards and define target lead times. Risk management and resilience. Anticipate disruptions, map risks, create continuity plans, and diversify supply sources. Simulate disruptions to test your plans. The goal is to reduce the impact of a major incident. Lean management and quality management. Reduce waste and make operations reliable. Learn 5S, Kaizen, SMED, and DMAIC. Launch at least one Kaizen project per quarter. Analytical skills. Make decisions based on data. Basic statistics, SQL, Python, if possible, and visualization. Build simple optimization models and clear dashboards. Finally, leadership and project management. You must coordinate, influence, and drive change. Train yourself in project management, Prince2, PMP, or Agile, as well as in communication and change management. Goal: lead a cross-functional project with measurable results. Here are the 10 key skills to become a supply chain manager. I wish you an excellent journey toward excellence in supply chain management. See you soon.